Hey there Candy Crush lover, need that extra life? Wanna unlock booster? Then it's time to bring the big guns, gold bars. In today's quick video, I'll show you exactly how to buy gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, open up the game and head to your home screen. Once you are on the main menu, look for the gold bar icon. Usually at the top right, tap it and boom, you are inside the candy shop. You will see a list of gold bar bundle. From small pack to big baller bucket, pick the one that fits your candy budget. Tap buy and your phone's app store will ask for confirmation. Face ID, fingerprint, password, whatever you have set up. Confirm it and bam, gold bar deliver instantly. You can use them on extra moves, lives or sweet booster. But be careful, they disappear faster than you think. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.